Hi guys, welcome back to Adulting with Aleesha. My name is Aleesha Kido, and today we're going to be vacuuming. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take everything off of the floor and you're just going to put it aside. And this will be one of my videos that I do on my own and my dog Nala. So yes, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to plug in your vacuum, obviously. And then you're going to just press start and just basically just start vacuuming, just start moving it around, get all those little pieces, make sure that your floor is clean, or it's getting clean. After you're done vacuuming your entire floor, that's all you do. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.